In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tally hours using Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable timesheet that calculates daily hours automatically and adds them up for you. All using built-in features. Start by opening a new Google Sheet and setting up your headers. In the first row, create 3 column titles: start time, end time, and total hours. These labels help keep things organized so you always know where to type and where your results will appear. Now, let's enter some sample time data. Under start time, type when work begins, like 9 o'clock a.m. Under end time, type when work ends, such as 5 o'clock p.m. Be sure to include AM or PM and keep the style consistent throughout the sheet, so Google Sheets reads everything correctly. After you press enter, Sheets should recognize these as times. Next, calculate the daily hours. Click the first cell in the total hours column that lines up with your time entry. Type an equal sign to start a formula. Click the end time cell for that row. Type a minus sign, then click the start time cell, and press enter. This subtracts the start from the end, giving you the hours worked that day. Using the example of 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m., you should see 8 hours. If the result looks odd or shows a date instead of hours, don't worry, we'll fix that with formatting. Let's format the cells so your times and totals display properly. Highlight the start time and end time columns, then go to the top menu and choose Format, Number, and select Time. This ensures those entries are treated as clock times. Next, highlight the total hours column. Go back to Format, Number, and choose Duration. Duration is perfect for elapsed time and will display totals like 8 o'clock a.m. instead of a date. It also keeps longer sums accurate if you add up more than 24 hours. Once the first total is correct, copy that formula down the total hours column so every row calculates automatically. You can use the small square in the corner of the cell to drag the formula down quickly. Finally, let's add everything up. Click a blank cell at the bottom of the total hours column. Type is equals to sum. Select the range of total hours you want to include. Close the parenthesis and press enter. You'll now see your total hours for all entries. If this total appears as a date, change its format to duration as well. And that's it, your hours are now neatly tallied in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.